There's water here. I'm trying to get it up.
This is the first flash flood of the year, probably. Yeah, it's very sweet. I thought this would mess up quite a bit, but mess up, and as soon as I start recording, the rain would stop, but fortunately this was not the case. I briefly had my window open, so my computer was wet briefly, but it appears that the damage, if any, is not by a hard drive or anything.
There's a problem with your computer?
No. No.
Did your computer get wet?
No.
Alright, so what are you doing? You're showing...
Yes.
You're filming the rain?
Yes, don't ruin it now. Thank you. This is actually turning out to be pretty nice. Just 2 minutes. I think I'm gonna turn it off soon, but it appears I just have to slightly wet. This is not very good. Alright, let's put it in.